Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly change X, formerly Twitter, accounts on your PC using the latest update. Whether you manage multiple profiles for personal or professional use, switching accounts is now faster than ever. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and head over to x.com. That's the new home for X, so type it into the address bar and hit enter. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed into your current account. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Now, look to the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or username there. Click on it, and a small menu will pop up. In this menu, you'll see a list of all the accounts you've added to your browser. To switch to another account, simply click on the profile you want to use. That's it. You'll instantly switch to that account. No need to log out or enter your details again. This is a great feature if you manage multiple accounts for work, personal use, or other purposes. You can easily switch between them in just a few clicks. I hope this guide helped you. If it did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates on X and other social media tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.